Hello UPSC aspirants. In today's episode of Plutus IAS Daily Insight, we will talk about why India needs a national space law. Have you ever wondered what would happen if a private Indian satellite accidentally damaged another country's spacecraft in orbit? Who would pay for the liability? Or imagine a startup launching an innovative satellite, what legal safeguards would protect its investors and intellectual property? These questions reveal why India urgently needs a comprehensive national space law. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, ratified by India, lays the foundation for responsible behavior in space. It prohibits national appropriation of outer space, bans weapons of mass destruction in orbit, and makes states internationally liable for damages caused by their space objects. However, this treaty is not self-executing. In other words, it does not automatically create enforceable obligations for private players within India. To translate these commitments into actionable rules, countries must enact their own domestic space legislations. India's achievements in space are extraordinary, be it Mangalyaan, the cost-effective Mars orbiter mission, or Chandrayaan-3's historical soft landing near the lunar South Pole. With upcoming projects like Gaganyaan, the Bharat Antariksha Station, and further lunar missions, India is stepping into a future where private sector's participation will be indispensable. So far, India has followed a policy-based approach. The Indian Space Policy 2023, the Catalogue of Standards for the Space Industry 2023, and the IN Space Norms and Guidelines 2023 outline regulatory procedures. While these measures encourage non-governmental participation, policies alone cannot provide the legal certainty and predictability that investors and entrepreneurs seek. Statutory banking is essential to resolve disputes, prevent bureaucratic delays, safeguards intellectual property, and align with international liability regimes. Equally important is the creation of affordable insurance frameworks. Since space missions are inherently risky, young startups cannot thrive without viable insurance models to cover potential damages. A national law that mandates, regulates, and supports such framework will strengthen India's space economy and protect innovators. In conclusion, as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, a nation with a strong base in science and technology is a nation with a strong backbone. To sustain its stellar growth and ensure responsible, secure, and innovative space activities, India must enact a comprehensive national space law, one that bridges international commitments, nurtures private participation, and secures its rightful place as a global space leader. Follow for more such content and stay tuned with Plutus IAS.